I build strong and positive professional relationships. I am respected and valued by my colleagues. I communicate clearly and effectively at work. I am open to constructive feedback. I collaborate well with others. I am a supportive and encouraging co worker. I am patient and understanding with my colleagues. I respect the opinions and ideas of others. I am a good listener. I foster a positive and inclusive work environment. I am trustworthy and reliable. I am confident in my professional abilities. I contribute positively to team projects. I build a rapport easily with my colleagues. I am approachable and friendly. I handle conflicts with grace and professionalism. I am open to learning from others. I am proactive in building professional networks. I appreciate and acknowledge the efforts of my colleagues. I am committed to my professional growth and growth of others. I am a positive influence in my workplace. I am flexible and adaptable in my interactions. I maintain a positive attitude in all professional situations. I value and respect diversity in the workplace. I am honest and transparent in my communications. I am empathetic and considerate towards my colleagues. I build mutually beneficial professional relationships. I am respectful of others' time and contributions. I am a team player. I show gratitude for the support of my colleagues. I create a harmonious and productive work environment. I am confident in my ability to build strong professional relationships. I handle professional challenges with integrity. I am supportive of my colleagues' successes. I communicate my needs and listen to the needs of others. I build trust through my actions and words. I am mindful of my impact on others. I seek to understand before being understood. I celebrate the achievements of my team. I am committed to the success of my team and organization. I approach every professional interaction with respect. I am open to diverse perspectives and ideas. I am proactive in resolving conflicts. I build connections that are based on mutual respect. I value collaboration over competition. I am courteous and polite in all my interactions. I maintain professional boundaries. I am enthusiastic about working with my colleagues. I am dedicated to building a supportive work community. I foster an environment of trust and cooperation. I am dependable and keep my commitments. I contribute to a positive and motivated work culture. I am open to receiving and giving constructive feedback. I am respectful of different work styles and preferences. I build lasting professional relationships. I am supportive and helpful to my colleagues. I communicate with clarity and respect. I build bridges, not walls, in my professional interactions. I am adaptable and open to change. I am confident in my ability to work well with others. I foster a culture of inclusivity and respect. I am respectful of others' ideas and contributions. I build a network of positive professional connections. I am an advocate of collaboration and teamwork. I handle feedback with grace and use it to improve. I create positive and lasting impressions. I am committed to creating a positive work environment. I value the strengths and contributions of my colleagues. I build professional relationships with integrity. I am a source of positive energy at work. I am committed to building a supportive work culture. I am open to new professional connections. I build trust through consistent and honest communication. I appreciate and acknowledge the contributions of my team. I am dedicated to maintaining good professional relations.